Innosphere Club, founded by Ms. Vanya Gupta and Ms. Nimrat Kaur, both grade 11 students, is an initiative aimed to create awareness about the exciting world of STEM and make it engaging and accessible to young minds. A workshop was organized at Fravashi International Academy for a hands-on experience. FIA is proud to support and give this kind of exposure to the children.
It was very wonderful, and we all enjoyed the meeting, as well as the students are very, very intelligent, and they have done a lot of good work, and the students are very well focused. They know what they are doing, and some of the people have given ideas. They have got a good ideation methodology.
And for us, I think the high for us comes when we get to interact with students who are this enthusiastic. Hats off to the students who've been volunteering. It is actually their effort that has drawn us here.
We really look forward to come again, visit Fravashi International School once again, and do another session possibly next year.
A lot of these kids, they have extremely brilliant ideas, but they don't know how to give direction to these ideas. So the main reason for the first workshop that we conducted, the first seminar on innovation research, was to explain to them about the platform they have where they can give a direction and give their ideas a new life.
So today they have gained hands-on experience in the concepts they learned in their classes during their science classes or their arts class. They've learned that all today as well by experiencing it, and this will help them implement it in their future ideas or projects they have.
I learned a lot more about STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. Example, for biology, we learned more about the human body. And in mathematics, who knew that Sudokus can be so fun?
In that, they explained us all about science and how does STEM actually work. We learned many new things today, and thank you for this opportunity.
We also learned how to find questions, a hypothesis, and then to find the solution to it. Then we also had to find out what's a big idea, so that you cannot just say taking a chair with 3 legs is a big idea. For the fourth stall, we made LED batteries, and geometry was also there included. So overall, this was a great experience for me in STEM. I learned a lot of things. Thank you.